All right, so welcome again to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And just a little bit of update for you guys. So apparently, um, the Jamaica Women National Premier League is about to start back, and a date has been set. Now, before I release the date, before I announce the date, those guys smash the like button because I want to get into some details, just some minor details in regards to the importance of this competition. So smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, people. I would really appreciate it if you guys do so. Now, as you guys know, it has been a long haul in regards to the return of women football in Jamaica. The last time out some level of competition played was at the school level, schoolgirl level. Ended, I think, Garvey Maceo and Excelsior were in the final. I can't remember who was in the semi-finals though. Was it Camperdown? I can't remember. But anyways, it's a good look now that there's the possibility of the Premier League to return. As you know, in January there was an announcement stating that there's a strong possibility that the league might start back in January, but it didn't happen. It didn't materialize, and I do know that there were a lot of females who were very much upset about it. Now, the reason for this is because they are looking for clubs who can manage or facilitate to their wages, whereas they can perform in the male section of the Premier League and also in the female section of the Premier League, because it wouldn't be easy. They don't want a case in which the finances are already stretched and then now they add the female team on it and then it just water down everything. So they didn't really want to do that. So they were trying to do something somewhat franchise-like. So only clubs who can facilitate their female team would have been able to participate in it. So it wouldn't be every club, because as you know, for those who don't know, finances specifically in the Jamaica football is a hell of a thing. Not saying that no money is available, but you can't just go out there and get a sponsorship like that. There must be some return for the sponsorship if a sponsorship wants to come on board with anything. So as you know, the virus, the pandemic, kind of halt football in Jamaica for a long time period, extended more than most other places. And what you find out that female football got a big hit in that. There's so much talented young females in Jamaica, but what happened is that one or two of them who has links or connection would have been able to move overseas to play some college system or something like that. But it didn't really materialize for everyone, because not everyone has those links and those connections. But importantly, right now, the start date for the tentative start date for the Women's Premier League is the 5th of November. That's the date that I heard about. That is the date I heard about, the 5th of November. Still a lot of finer details to start off. As you know, by then the male Premier League would have started already, but in October. I'll also do a video on that, on the start date for the male Premier League, the exact start date, and how things might look going forward for that one. But for this, the female Premier League, Jamaican Premier League, start date is around the 5th of the month, 5th of November. So I am personally anticipating to see that one, really anticipating to see that, and that's a good thing. I really wanted this to come back, because we had a female team go and represent us and at every level, and there's no female competition taking place inside of Jamaica, and so there's no sense of which this player can do that player can. So we don't have that of anyone coming from this level to even get a try or to even get a look in to say, hey, you are not ready. At least to know that you're not ready and to make it work out. But definitely this is a positive. This is a huge positive to football in Jamaica, specifically the female football in Jamaica. And I strongly believe that they would have thought that they would be on the back burner. Everyone is forgetting about them, and there's no highlight for them, there's no coverage for them. But guess what? We're here for you guys, and definitely we're looking forward to see this Premier League, this female Premier League kick off in fine fashion, and let's see how this one goes. And I'm anticipating to see how this one goes, really and truly. I'm really anticipating. Definitely. It was set for the 1st of January. No, I think it was the 22nd of January. I'm not sure, but sometime this year it was set to start, and it just didn't work out. But guess what? It took a few months, but definitely it will be back on way. So hopefully the clubs can get themselves sorted out so that they can start in their recruiting process to get some female in and have their trials and all those things, which will be quite important. And I do think that this is a vast or a great opportunity for many young ladies in Jamaica who has the talent and can get themselves showcased in the Premier League, and let's see how we can take it from there. Anytime, people, definitely have to go now. Massive respect, people. Thank you very much for tuning in. I think this is actually a very good update, nevertheless. And so, guys, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. And until next time, MG Sports TV, Military Guna TV, people, we're out.